YouTube world. This is Seascape number 1, 2, 3. Well, this is the 4th really, but the last video had 2. Actually, I've only just done those. I was so excited. I thought, I've got to do another one, I've got to do another one. So I haven't seen the dried results, but I'm very excited about one of them. And it's the one that uses the combination of my cell activator with my acrylic varnish and my propylene glycol. Doing some interesting things over there. And where's my, this is the Aussie Flow Troll cell activator. It's got 2 in it now. I like. So I might as well carry on and just do one more because I've still got colour to use up. So let's just do it, shall we? I'm going to put a lot more gold in this time because I really want the sand colours to come through. And I'm going to use up all my teals. So here we go. Busy for see how we get on. Incidentally, you might think, oh, you've got a lot of paint going off into the sides. I keep all these skins. I make jewellery. You can go onto my website and have a look. But I can assure you that this will not be wasted. A local shop down on the seafront where I live actually buys them off me in bulk, which is very handy. So I'm going to go in first with my cell activator. So this is my PVA with varnish added to it, okay? Because this seems to give a watery effect, so it does sink. So I want that to go across the top. It produces some quite big lacing effects, which are very subtle. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do, you must all think I'm bonkers. It's that mad woman. This is I'm going to give it a stir actually. This is the same thing, but with the propylene glycol added. So this, I did throw in some more house paint in my base, and obviously just that extra bit of house paint is producing those cells, so we're going to have to try and work with that. Now the last one I'm going to do is the Aussie Flow Troll. This is the Aussie Flow Troll. Okay. I think that's going to go crazy. I don't want it to go crazy. Let's get the torch. So this is doing what I want it to do up here. Maybe should have used a thinner piece to swipe, because I've ended up swiping the whole piece and I didn't want to do that. I wanted to leave some of it unswiped. Just have to see how this one dries. So it's beginning to happen now. It's beginning to, all the colours are beginning to flow into each other, which is great. And you can control the Aussie Flow Troll a little bit more. I like that bit there. Ah. Well, that's quite nice. It's brought some more of the gold through, which I like. Let's do that again. Right, it's looking a little bit busy. We'll stop. Pleased. Hope you can tell. I'm sure you appreciate that this comes off of weeks of trying different things. And I mean weeks. Each video takes around a day to put together. And you can appreciate that first one, that very first one, Molten. Just varnishing that because that's been sold, which is great. So all of these will be for sale. Thanks for watching. So here we are with the dried results. I love the way the colour shift paint interacts and mixes in with the teal, PBO teal. It did go quite wild, didn't it? Here, so I need to work out a way of controlling that in my next painting. But it's got that watery look. It's got it's very busy, this one. There's a lot to look at actually. The flecks of gold coming through here. The Aussie Flow Troll at the top there. Just can you see the ridge it leaves? If you can see that on camera. Probably not. It's very subtle. It's not dry in the back. See? A little bit of advice, it may be dry on top, but if it's been sat on cups, it's still soaking wet. I've ruined many a painting. Yeah, there you go, guys. So my next one won't be like these. It'll be slightly different. I've got an idea, which I'm quite excited about. So until next week, thanks for watching.